Hey guys, it's Xavier Kelly. I want to say guys, thank you guys for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Taboola on the Pixel on your website. So make you stay tuned a little more about that. It's going to be very interesting and basically going to walk you through as quick as possible. So stay tuned. So guys, after you log in and everything like that, I'm going to come here to your main dashboard, which will bring you to. Go ahead and click over to the Taboola Pixel. And then from here, it's pretty simple from this part right here. You need to decide if you're going to do something for conversions or audiences on this part. So if you do conversions, this is what you do right here. Put the new conversions tag. Pretty simple on that part. Sometimes it takes a little second to load, but basically this right here is going to help you track your conversions to tie in with your campaign. And so you need to then create a URL condition. And this URL condition is similar to if you use AdWords before on putting the event snippet at the end. So if it gets to this page, do this. And you can add conditions down. So you can add advertiser thank you page. And then you can add a new one too as well if you want to. And you can do equals, contains, so anything. So if you want to do anything that contains thank you. Oh, if I can spell thank you right. Okay. So let's do thank you. So anything containing this URL, this in the URL will be marked as a conversion from that part. And you can do multiple different ones as well. So it's to contain, or you can see equals to this exact URL. So this is the best way to do it, because if you have any parameters at the end of it that you're passing along, like you see a lot of different sites that have parameters already up here. If you have any of those, you don't have to worry too much about that. So you have thank you. So then you're going to touch your conversions name. So this right here can be usually core sales. So let's say core sales, yeah. And then right here you can do basic category, leads, add watch list. So you say add to cart, app install, purchase, put a value to it. And you have that, and then the conversion window, and to include total conversions. And then you have everything set up right there. Basically, this is your conversion properties. This right here is based off when the conversion should trigger. So that's how you put this right here. Think of this as like the end of this. So like if this thank you was in backstage or any of these portions of this URL, this is exact how this is right here. Then it would be put down as a conversions as well. So you can put out too as well if you want to, like you did backstage / thank you. That will be the condition for that portion. Basically, the condition from equals this has to be exactly this. If it's not exactly this, then it's not a conversion. So sometimes you might have those where you want to have those, and other times thank you would just be for that. Okay, so let's go to create conversion. And then let's let it load. Sometimes it takes a little second. But so we have it right here, and you have your events received, your retainer, your core sales, all that part, including total conversions. Then from here, you can really come into here, and yeah, and you can do this right here as a this doesn't have a code snippet, so you don't have to worry about that. But you can do all that portion right here. So if you already have your pixels up, you have the conversion. So let's say that okay, so okay, so where's my pixel? Okay, so that's another thing right here. So we go to pixel management. So once you set your conversions up, or you set your audience up on this portion, and you'll be able to separate those right here. Same thing, audience, you do what conditions, same very thing. Give your audience a name, all that portion, and you can be able to do that. And you only have to install one pixel. So let's say add a pixel. So from here on your pixel, you want to put the action name, the order ID, quality, currency, revenue, all that portion on your conversion side with the first pixel. Page view, you can call it action view, and you can continue. Retargeting, you can give it a retargeting name. So let's just give it retargeting, go over, and then okay, you can't put spaces in it though. And you can go over, and then it'll give you your basically your JS code. You want to take this code once you get it. So come into here, copy it, and bring it in, and you want to put it right up here inside your code. Just copy and paste it there, and that's all you have to do when you're doing this. It's pretty simple on that part, and it makes it a lot easier for you to be able to go through and do different things on that from that standpoint. So yes, it's pretty simple from the standpoint. Go to pixel management, create your pixel, come down to Taboola pixel, create over if you got any new conversions you want to do, or if you got any audiences that you want to keep track on, and this allows you to be able to remarket to those audience. Or basically, if you have someone come through, put your stuff in the cart but don't purchase, you can be able to advertise and market to them. You can do all of that. It's pretty simple. But let's go back to my other stuff on the camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments down. I help you on that part. If you're looking to get in Taboola and you don't know where to start, you need someone to kind of guide you through the process or do the process for you, go to my website. I can help you out with doing that part. Also too as well, guys, if you haven't already and you don't know your audience, before you really get into any platform, you need to know who your audience is. I've basically went through and filmed a course over this right here, and that will walk you through all of this. It's $50, and on basis of the course, I'll also do a consultation with you to help you out, to help you better understand your audience and help you develop that as well for 30 minutes. And while you go through the course, there's a lot of information that you can get from this. Make sure you guys check that out. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I just want to say thank you so much, and hit the notification button. And guys, like this video. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.